go to general survey, then go to job. As I have already, if you haven't created the job, then create new job. Okay, otherwise if you already created, then open job. Today I have already created, so the job will be opened here. If you create it, then it will be also opened here. Now first you have to connect your receiver controller to the controller with the. After that you go to the instrument, then you go to the GNS function, then go to the Bluetooth. Okay, put that into the base mode. And as I can see that you have to put this connect to GNS base and put the serial number of the base. Okay, automatically from drop down you can connect. This is the serial number of the rover 21, 23 is the base. Okay, now you accept it in the base mode. As if it is not connected, then it will connect. Otherwise, you can see here this is the number of satellite available for the base. And if you are showing, if you are seeing these two means DGPS sign, means it is connected. Okay, these signs. Now you put it into a base mode. Now go to measure. In measure you should go to the PPK, then start base receiver. First you have to start the base. Okay, start base receiver. This is starting. You have to give the point name. Suppose I am giving point 1. Okay, press enter. This is the antenna height. You should measure the center of the bumper, means from this line, and you should measure the height with the measuring tape and put it here into the meter, and then press enter. Point does not ready, please press OK. Now you start it. Now you can see here it's clearly showing the base started. Here also you can see base survey. Okay, post processing base started. Okay, now your base will be started. And okay, now if you go away from this base receiver, the base will be continuing. It will be taking reading. Otherwise if you want to, now you have to connect it to the rover. When you reach the field, you have to connect it with the rover DGPS. So if you go away, it will be measuring. Okay, no problem. Otherwise, if you are if you are putting both rover and this base side by side, then you have to again go to the create job, then new job. Here you mention the date 02/22 and you put it rover. Okay, now the all things will be same as previous. Accept it. Now you have to connect it with the instrument, because now it is currently it is connected with the base. Now you have to connect it with the rover. So go into the rover mode, go to connect with the Bluetooth. Okay, so here you have to put none, here you have to put 21. Okay, because it is showing connect to the GNS rover, so the base would be none. Okay, now accept it. This is the rover mode. Okay, press rover mode. Okay, it will show. Okay, the rover has been connected. Actually there so when you put it into the rover mode, here you can see the number of satellite connected with the rover. This is the battery of the rover. Okay, so now your control this device has been connected to the rover. It is not connected with the base right now because you have disconnected with the Bluetooth. The base is recording. Okay, so from here you have to go to the where you have to can directly go to the measure, back, press ESK and measure, then go to the PPK, then measure point. Okay, measure point. You don't have to go to the base, you have to go to the measure point. And here you can this will show the point name, a point name which was the last used point. It was 0.34, so it will increase by 1 and it will be showing 0.32. Code you can put if you want. Then this is the method topo point antenna height. This is already by default it is 2 meter and the height of the antenna is 2 meter. Here you should put bottom of the antenna mount. Okay, so here you can first you have to, here you can press measure. Okay, so now it is showing not initialized. It means your point is, you cannot save this point, and until and unless it is ppk initialized you cannot save the point. So for that you have to go to the escape, you have to press abandon point S. Okay, now escape, go to the measure, then you have to press the ppk initialization. In initialization you have to go to the options. In option you can put it to 1 minute or 3 minutes. Now I am putting, because I am in the room, so I can put it into 3 minutes. 3 put all the values 3 minutes. Okay, 3. So it will be initialized soon, otherwise it will take lots more time. Here you also put 1 minute, 3 minutes. Put all the values same, whether you put it 1 minute or 10 minutes. Okay, 333. Now press enter. As you can see, I have made all the values 333. Then accept. Okay, not initialize. Then escape. Then again you go to the measure. Then measure points. Now the pp this will be initialized. Until and unless it gets initialized you cannot measure the point. So wait for the initialization. It is showing initialization in 1 minute. Okay, now here as we can see it is showing initialized. So I have given it 3 minute time and it is initialized. Okay, so now you can measure. Here we can measure. Now we can so ppk has been initialized. Now we can put the point name and we can press the measure. Keep in mind that while you are measuring, put the rover antenna straight and you can press measure. So here I have default setting for it for 2 seconds, that after 2 seconds you can store the point, and if you want to record it for the more time, then you can record it for the longer period of time. Currently we are taking the measurement up to 30 seconds. You can also put it, you can go to the option and you can put this value as here occupation time is 5. You can put it as much as you want, 30 seconds you can put it. Otherwise after 35 seconds if you take a standard one and store it. Now you can store the reading.
Observation stored.
It will say observation stored. Again it will move to the next point, P36. Again you can measure the point till it is showing initialized. You can measure the point, otherwise you have to wait for the initialization. That's all. Now again you can, it is the time so far 10 seconds and time to go 00 because that's the default setting. Now you can store it.
Observation stored.
So when you are done with the measurement of the rover, you exit, and after exit it will show that you power down the receiver. So you power down the receiver. So now receiver part is over. Now you again come to the base. So base, for that you have to again connect, open the rover job, open the base job. So for base I have mentioned it. So you open the base job. Okay, base job for the, and again you have to go to the instruments and GNS function. In GNS function you connect it with the base mode. Okay, so now it is connected with the, earlier it was connected with the rover, so you put it to the base. Now again the same process you have to repeat it and accept. Now in the base mode it will try to connect with the base receiver. When you come, now it is showing that 13 if the base was running and it was recording continuously, So again it had been connected with the base. So what do you want to do now? You want to put the base off. So for that, here you can also again put the end survey. If you want to end the survey, you can end it. Okay, so just press end survey, end this one, it will show ending. If you want to put down the receiver, then put down the receiver S. The receiver will be put down. Put down means it will be switch off. So this part is over.